4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 left, flat, continues for 100, 100, then we go 150, 150, right to mid the small crest, 130, 130, to a 6 right slippy, maybe slippy, 6 right, and then go 60 after to an hairpin right. This is it. Fucking hell, that's quick. 4 left, opens and tightens.
There's hardly a bend there, is it?
No. 6 right, and a 2 right. 6 right, 2 right, there's a 2. Into square right. 5 left long. 5 right, 60, slippy continues. 5 left, 170, 5 left, 170. 5 right, narrows don't cut, 5 right, narrows don't cut, 150. 6 right over small crest flat, 130. Into 3 left, double caution 3 left, and a 2 right don't cut, 100. Double caution 4 left deceptive, and a 2 right don't cut, 150 up mid. Keep mid the small crest, 6 left, and a 6 right, continues to 100, the 2 left, rough inside, and a turn square right. Square right. Keep mid a track and a square left, 130 over slippy, early braking, double caution through the post to an acute right, very tight. This is it. 6 left through posts, 200. 5 left over small crest and it tightens. 5 left over small crest and it tightens. Continues for 80 and then got a 2 right through the dip. Slippy, 2 right through the dip, maybe slippy, 60. 6 left long, 40, chicane, right left right, right left right. 100. 3 right, tight, maybe slippy again. And a 2 left over crest, don't cut, tightens. 2 left over crest, don't cut, tightens. 40 down to an hairpin left long. Hairpin left long. Six right long, 100. Keep mid the crest flat, 400, 400. And then we've got a 6 right, 40, slow in to a caution, 5 right over crest, caution, 5 right over crest and a 2 right over mud, 2 right over mud, the 5 right again, continues for 150, 5 right, this is the 2. The 5 right continues for 150, 200. Keep mid over small crest, long. Then you've got a 6 left, 270. 6 left long, 100 down to a chicane. 6 left long, it may be slippy, 100 to a chicane. Left, right, left. 200. 200. 3 left, continues for 100. Tightens into 2 left long. 3 left, continues, tightens. 2 left. Your long crest, down to a 6 left. 150. 6 left flat, 200. Small crest into 5 right, continues for 130. Caution, tightens to a 2 right, fresh air. 5 right continues to 2 right, fresh air. There's the fresh air, 2 right, and a 5 left. 5 left. The 2 left don't cut long. 6 right flat, 6 left over small crest, 40, 5 right long, 130, into 6 right, don't cut, 6 right, don't cut, small crest, 6 right, flat, 170, 6 left, 80, left to middle small crest, caution, left, 5 right long, left, 5 right long, 5 right long, mid crest, 300, mid crest, 300, to a turn, square left over bump, 300, go on, square left over bump, it narrows, through our tree gap down there. $100 down, caution, bumpy, 5 left over bump, 5 left over bump, 40 over rough, to a 3 left and turn hairpin right, 3 left, turn hairpin right. 200, left over small crest, left over small crest, 60, to a 3 right, 3 right, 3 right, 40, to a 4 right tightens, through post and a 2 right, 4 right tightens, through post, 2 right, turn hairpin right over bump, turn hairpin right. This is the tarmac, 3 left long, 40, square left and the 2 right tightens, onto gravel through the post after this, 2 right, through post onto gravel, and a turn 4 left, 40, 2 left, 100, 4 right, and a 6 right, 4 right and a 6 right, 80, to turn 2 left and a turn square right round the triangle. There's the triangle, square right, hairpin left, oh fuck, turn 2 right, 100, left over small crest, 80, mid and next small crest, 80, 2 right, double caution, 2 right and a 2 left over junction, through posts and a 3 right, through post, 3 right, it looked like our gate was closed then, 130, 6 left long, this is where that farm is, 6 left long, 80, 5 right don't cut, 150, 6 right long into 6 left, 40, mid through the posts, 170, keep mid through the posts, 170, to a 4 left long, falls away, keep it down, 200 through the dip, 6 right long, keep mid over small crests, 40, through posts, keep mid, 100, to a 2 left, narrow posts, and it tightens, 2 left, narrow post, tightens, caution, right? 40, 5 left over crest, and a 2 right, 60, 6 right tightens to 4 right, 6 right tightens to 4 right, 300, got a double caution, small crest, slow in, down to an hairpin left, loose, it's unseen, it is, right? Over the crest, down, hairpin left, unseen. There it is. $130, 4 left long opens, 60, keep mid a small crest, 150 down, to a caution, 4 left long, logs inside, caution, 4 left long, logs inside, into 3 left loose, and hairpin right, 3 left loose, hairpin right, over finish, tightens, 5 left after the finish.